Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video, I am going to share a study plan with you which can help you in the preparation of EXAM Digital Technology exam which is expected in May 2025. This recruitment was announced a few days back. You can fill the online application form from 22nd of March to 15th of April. The tentative month of written examination is May 2025. There are 10 vacancies for digital technology post. The remaining details are mentioned in this study plan. You can download this from the description. You can give your preparation a direction, a time limit within which you should be able to finish every topic. Coming to eligibility, you should have minimum 60% in your BE or BTech in Computer Science, Information Technology or ECE, or 60% marks both in graduation and MCA. Your age limit is 30 years as on 28 February 2025. There is no experience requirement mentioned for management training post. Even final year candidates can apply, but you should be able to then produce your documents by June 1, 2025 or your joining date as prescribed by the bank. Coming to exam pattern, there is a written test and interview. In the written test, it's only subjective paper. Part 1 is one question having the compulsory area of 40 marks. Part 2 has options. You have to attempt 6 questions out of 8. This entire paper is subjective and it is a possibility that it can be in pen paper mode. Interview is of 100 marks. Final list shall be drawn based on the overall performance of the candidate in written examination and interview. The marks obtained in written examination have 70% weightage and in interview have 30% weightage. At iExamB, we have launched Exam Bank Digital Technology online course. You can check out the details of the course by clicking on this link. This is the syllabus of Management Training Digital Technology. This was as per the last recruitment. At least you can be prepared with these topics first. Now in the study plan, I have given you a week-wise idea, week-wise topics, what you should be studying. In week 1, you should be able to complete PL/SQL fundamentals. In week 2, relational databases and SQL. Week 3 and week 4 can be devoted to programming language C and C++. Week 5 can be devoted to Java programming language, and then week 7 to general IT technologies. You will find the content and questions for practice for all these topics in our Exam Bank Management Training Digital Technology online course. You can check out the details of this course by clicking on the link present in the description. Download the study plan, keep it in front of you. If you have any doubts, any queries, you can write them down in the comment below, or you can also reach out to us on this number mentioned on the screen. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.